Hello YouTube. I just wanted to share this latest video. I think that this is a major discovery in the field of origin of life research and lends credence to the idea of abiogenesis. The link for this article is in the description. In October of last year, researchers at Stanford University were experimenting with frog eggs of the species Xenopus, or the African clawed frog. They put these viable eggs in a centrifuge and spun the eggs around until the cell contents of the eggs were completely scrambled. What happened next left the researchers gobsmacked, in the words of James Farrell, head of the lab performing this research. I don't have access to the original article, but I will apply a very loose standard here and say that within 24 hours, even though the cell membranes of these eggs were completely destroyed, the cytoplasm reassembled itself into small pockets of cytoplasm, each of which contained a nucleus as well as other structures characteristic of living cells. Even more incredible is that these pockets of cytoplasm, with their nuclei and other structures, were able to undergo cell division. While I would be the first to admit that this in and of itself is not abiogenesis, I think that it breaks the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. The results of this experiment make abiogenesis a much more plausible hypothesis. After all, if you can scramble an egg cell, thereby killing the cell, and then have its contents reassemble into a cell-like structure, then you must ask yourself, how many degrees of separation are there between this experiment and abiogenesis? Thanks for watching.